Now, before we start this video, I just want to say a quick disclaimer that this is not financial advice. We all have different financial situations and different risk appetites. So, invest at your own risk and wag niyo akong sisihin kung ma-influence ko kayo. Okay? Kaya nyo na yan. Alright, what is up everybody? We are back and today we're gonna talk about investing as a student in cryptocurrency and why I suggest that you guys do it. So hi guys, I'm Sam. I'm a second year college student from De La Salle University and today, are you guys ready? We're gonna talk about how to lose money. Charot. So since we're gonna talk about cryptocurrency and stuff, para maniwala kayo sa akin, maybe I should share something about myself kung bakit kayo dapat maniwala sa akin. To be honest, anyway, story time na lang tayo. So a long time ago, back in 2017, I had a lot of skins. Hindi skins as in balata, skins as in in-game skins. Alam nyo yon, yung mga sa video games, yung mga binibili ng mga kabataan ngayon. Ay nako, kaya kung may kakilala kayong humihingi ng pera, bibili lang siguro ng skins yan. Hindi ko linalahat hindi ko linalahat. Pero may kaunti na yun yung ginagawa. Bumibili sila ng in-game skins para mas maganda sila tingnan sa laro. No hate, that's how game developers earn money. So, support game devs. Back in 2017, na-realize ko, bakit ang dami kong in-game skins na hindi ko naman, wala naman nangyayari sa pera ko, except magmukhang maganda sa isang laro. So, natauhan ako bigla. So, naghanap ako ng ways, paano ko ba ibebenta to para mabawi yung pagsisisi ko. So, I found this platform that sells skins for Bitcoin. So, back in 2017, Bitcoin was $6,000. Around $6,000 back in 2017. And ngayon, kakaabot lang yan ng $68,000 recently. So, sabihin natin, isipin natin, bumili ka ng 10,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin back in 2017. 100k na siya ngayon, mga sir. Okay, 100k na siya ngayon. I was there, buddy. Makinig kayo sa akin. I was there. Okay? Anyway, binenta ko yung skins ko. Tas, guess what? Binenta ko din yung Bitcoin for another token that unfortunately did not pop off. Bumaba siya. Out of all cryptocurrencies back in 2017, yung nabili ko yung hindi umangat. Lods. Ang dami-dami kong pwede bilhin. Yung binili ko, yung hindi umangat. Kaya makinig kayo sa akin, okay? Because experience is the best teacher. I've made a lot of mistakes and you guys should listen para hindi kayo magkamali. Pero I'm not saying that I'm the best out here, okay? Sinasabi ko lang, may mga kaganapan na din sa buhay ko na maybe built some credentials. I don't know. Hindi ko sure. Kayo na bahala. Again, this is not financial advice. Anyway, TLDR, I've been in crypto since 2017, been trading since then, and took it seriously netong start ng 2021. And if you ask me kung kamusta siya ngayon, bumaba ba? Anyway, enough of me. Now let's talk about the main point of this video on why you should invest in crypto as a student. Ayos ba? Again, I want to reiterate, this is not financial advice. Huwag niyo ako sisihin kung mawalan kayo ng pera. Pera niyo yan, hindi ko pera yan. So, you know, mamaya sugurin niyo dito. Sam! Wag. So in this video, we'll be having 5 points and if feeling nyo mahaba siya, I'm gonna leave timestamps sa description down below and dun sa, ano ba tawag dito? Bar. Pwede nyo pira-pirasuhin tong video na to para ma-meditate nyo, ma-focus nyo, mas maintindihan nyo lalo. Okay ba yun? I got you guys. First point, the earlier you start, the better. This is a golden idea in investing that the earlier you start, the better. Kasi sabi nga nila, the best time to invest was yesterday and the next best time to invest is today. This is your sign, mag-invest ka. But again, this is not financial advice. Imagine investing in crypto back in 2013 nung tig $10 lang yung Bitcoin. Or even knowing that, kung nag-invest ka nung 2017 wherein $6,000 na yung Bitcoin, ngayon, kung tignan mo sa 2021, ang laki pa din niya, Lods. Kasi, imagine mo, punta kang 2017 and alam mo na yung Bitcoin. Sasabihin mo doon, ay, ang taas na yan. Hindi na tataas ulit yan. Hindi na gaganon ulit yan. Guess what happened? Haha! And maybe that's what you're thinking right now, in 2021. Seeing that Bitcoin is 65 something thousand dollars or 54 siya ngayon kasi nag-dip. Let's see in 2025 how this works. Again, this is not guaranteed, but the market pattern is going like this and that. and more businesses and more people are getting into crypto, and the technology just keeps on getting better, I think we're on the right track. And another one is that as students, as we grow older, it comes naturally eh. Syempre, di ba nag-aaral tayo, tumatanda tayo, so why not do something with the money that we have? Maybe by the time we reach 30, we can buy a house because we back in 20, we invested money. Uy, rhymer, Lodi Cakes. Number 2, it's a great learning experience. Now, one thing that I realize about school is that they don't really teach you about money. It's a life skill talaga eh, that we learn through experience and through other people. And as well as it teaches us to destroy bad habits. Kasi ang habit natin as students is, you know, bili dito, bili doon. And it carries on as we grow older, wherein pag may jobs na tayo, unang sweldo, wachang! It's bad. Point 3, you can earn income with this. Actual money from this. If the market goes up, buddy, your budget for Shopee goes up as well. Hindi, joke lang. Kasi gastos ng gastos, budol kayo. Now, as students, we don't have that much time to really do other things. Harsh truth. And big kudos to working students out there who are really working hard para makatulong sa family nila. And for us naman na medyo, you know, sa lampa lang dito, school na nga lang, ang laki pa ng problema natin. Dude, we are so blessed. Investing will probably, hopefully become an alternative income source. And at the same time, pag in-invest mo yung pera mo, mas mawawalan ka ng pera na gastusin. Kasi every time you do not spend, let's say that you earned that money. Sabihin mo gusto mo ng milk tea, pero hindi ka bumili ng milk tea. You just saved 100 pesos, my friend. Point 4, we can risk a lot. This is where the disclaimer comes in that we are all in different financial situations. And I'm really blessed to have a family who's supportive na pinapakain ako, binibigyan ako ng bubong. And if you ever have the same comfort and same security, let us take this time muna to appreciate those who are keeping us safe and sound and busog, di ba? Thank you, mom and dad. Like, super duper dami. Ang laki ng risk na pwede natin i-take. Kasi as students, even if we make a really terrible trade, wherein maubos yung buong portfolio nyo, wag naman sana, meron pa din tayong matitirhan. Meron pa din tayong makakain, makakapag-aral pa din tayo. Alright, unlike nag-work ka na and then kailangan mo magbayad ng bahay, kailangan mo magbayad ng bills, kailangan mo magbayad ng kain, kailangan mo magpabuhay ng pamilya, magpaaral ng anak. Lodi Cakes, that's why I'm really encouraging students to just, you know, risk. Smartly, risk smartly. Kasi it will just become harder as time goes on. Yes, hindi ganun kalaki yung may invest natin kasi again, wala tayong work. But at the same time, pag nag-work ka na tas binawasan mo pa ng mga things na yon na kailangan mong gastusan. And for the last point, the technology. Lodi Cakes. This is one thing that I really want people to realize as we invest in cryptocurrency. Kasi we are not just throwing our money away to an imaginary currency, an imaginary coin, in hopes that somebody who's maybe crazier than us will buy it from us 2 times the price. Okay, that's not what's happening over here. We are investing in actual projects, actual people, and actual technology that will hopefully build a better future. Now, an example of this is Facebook changing their name to Meta, as in Metaverse. Google nyo na lang. This is where we are heading. This feels like 1990s, wherein nagsisimula pa lang yung .com era, and a lot of people just could not understand it. But look what happened. Everything's almost internet right now. And maybe in the future, I'm not sure, hindi to 100%, hindi ako prophet or whatever, hindi ako manghuhula. But by the patterns of the news, of the technologies, of the big names, this is where we're heading. And finally, invest only on things that you believe in. Kasi it's really hard to hold on to this cryptocurrency, especially if mag-down siya ng 20%, if you do not believe the technology. In general, it's really easy to fear, especially if wala kang pinaniniwalaan. Kaya thank you, Lord, even though I walk through the valley. And finally, invest only what you can lose. Huwag kayong umutang, please. Again, this is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk, do your own research, and let me know if you guys want to see more crypto content very, very soon. I'm Sam, and see you guys on my next video. Bye! O nga pala, subscribe, Lods, like, malapit na tayo mag 2K. Woo!